the weather is going to be nice. You should do something outdoors.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend.
How about a picnic at a park?
We do that often. I want to do something more fun.
Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So today is day 9th. You know, we have accepted 30 days English speaking challenge and today is day 9, and in today's video I'm going to give you a partner. So this partner is none other than a AI English speaking partner. You don't need to go anywhere for learning this language. You don't need to go anyone's house to do practice in English. You don't need to give so much money for learning this language. This AI partner will help you free on cost. Okay, you don't need to give your time. You can use this application according to your time, manage your time. Okay, and this is a wonderful application. This is a genuine application, and believe me friend, this application not only improve your fluency, not only improve your pronunciation, but also it will give you so many benefits. You can improve your vocabulary, you can improve your sentence structure. After using this application, you will feel that now English is not a problem for you. Okay, so you can easily do conversation anywhere with someone. Okay, because there is so many categories. Okay, there are so many categories. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so without any delay, let's get into the topic. So I'm going to use this mobile phone. Okay, so for this you need to take your mobile phone and go to the Play Store. Okay, after going to the Play Store, you can write English conversation practice. English conversation practice. So I'm going to write English conversation practice. Okay, so I have already downloaded this application in my mobile phone. So I'm going to open this application. So after open this application, okay, so this is an interface. You can see this is an interface and there are so many categories. Okay, there are so many categories. Okay, so first is trips and vacations, and tips and vacations. There are 7 categories and 20 conversation. You can see this is a wonderful application. Okay, second is eating related topics. There are 5 categories and 14 conversation. Third is family and friends. Fourth is talking about kids. Fifth is daily life. Sixth is sports, music and events, and US holiday, nature, school, shopping, special days, work related. Oh my god, there are so many categories, now, and every categories have so many subcategories. Okay, so I'm going to touch first trips and vacation, because today you can see it's a summer vacation. So I'm going to touch trips and vacations. So after touch and trips and vacations, so there are so many subcategories. Okay, you can see the interface, trips and vacations. So there are so many categories, there are so many conversation, you can see. So I'm going to choose okay, a day trip conversation, going to the zoo, because I love animal. So I'm going to okay, so after choosing going to the zoo, so you can see there is 4 on the top. There is 4 option: listen, quiz, practice and record. So I'm going to practice because I want to do practice in English conversation. So I'm going to practice. I'm going to touch practice. So I'm going to touch. So there are 2 characters. Okay, George and Steve. So there is a, you can see there is a conversation right on the mobile. So I'm going to choose one character, George. Okay, so and if you want to record your conversation, so you can touch record. So I'm going to touch record and okay, and I'm going to just okay. So
hey Steve, my family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have any suggestions?
The weather is going to be nice. You should do something outdoors.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend.
How about a picnic at a park?
We do that often. I want to do something more fun.
How about the city zoo? I heard that beer cups were recently born there.
That's a good idea. We haven't been to the zoo in a long time.
Then you should definitely go this weekend.
The last time we were there, it started raining. None of the animals wanted to come out.
That must have been boring.
It was boring. The kids wanted to go home early.
The animals should be more visible since the weather is going to be sunny this weekend.
Yeah, I think we will go to the zoo. Hopefully this time it'll be more fun.
Actually, I have 4 tickets to the zoo. You can have them. Our family would not be able to go. The tickets expired this weekend.
Thanks, Steve. Let me pay you for them. Zoo tickets are expensive.
Don't worry about it. It's my gift to you since your last visit was not fun.
Are you sure? This is very generous of you.
Also, you mowed my lawn a few times after I had back surgery last year. I recently
I'm glad we're
appreciated that.
neighbors.
So you can see after using this, you can go to the
Hey, Steve. My family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have any suggestions?
The weather is going to be nice. You should do something outdoors.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend.
How about a picnic at a park?
We do that often. I want to do something more fun.
How about the city zoo? I heard that beer cups were recently born there.
That's a good idea. We haven't been to the zoo in a long time.
Then you should definitely go this weekend.
The last time we were there, it started raining. None of the animals wanted to come out.
That must have been boring.
It was boring.
So you can look after do conversation. You can record your voice and you can find out where are you fumble, where are you stuck. So after completing one character conversation, you can choose another character and start your conversation. Okay, so for this application you don't need to think so much sentences in your mind. Okay, you just read whatever written on your mobile screen and just try to speak out. Okay, with this application you can improve your pronunciation, your vocal cords and your muscles, mouth muscles will get practice. You can easily be open your mouth whenever you want to speak in English. So your mouth muscles and your vocal cords and your mind will be synchronized, okay, after using this application. So this is a wonderful application. You don't need to wait for someone will come, then I will start my English speaking practice. Okay, don't waste your time because your goal is to be fluent in English. So you don't need to wait for someone. You don't need to do conversation with someone. Do conversation with this application, and this is a wonderful application. And the fun part of this application is that there is no one who can judge you, and there is no one who can laugh at your English, who can mock off your English. You can do conversation with this application. And the most important part is that, okay, you have to choose one conversation and do practice minimum one conversation 10 times. Why? Because once you do one conversation practice 10 times, then your speaking practice, your sentence structure become a part of your memory. Do conversation with this application with one conversation till it become a part of your memory. Okay, and in this way you can easily improve your English, you can easily improve your pronunciation level, you can know some vocabulary, you can know some sentence structure, you can know different situation based conversation. So this is a wonderful application. Use this application and we master in English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.